I'm the host of Ali's Yummy Food, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out all my other awesome recipes and click the subscribe button and also the little notification bell so you receive the updates every time I upload the new video. But today I want to show you how to make this delicious homemade marmalade. Marmalade is a type of candy made from sugar and pure fruit, which is sold everywhere in Latvia and probably Russia and Eastern European countries. And today we'll be making my favorite, which is like lemon with orange. So it's gonna be lemon marmalade. It's so yummy, super delicious. Kids love this recipe and you can just have it. Well, it's not gonna last very long because you're probably gonna eat it, but it's really nice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let's get started.
In your pan, add your lemon juice and then orange juice, and then we're going to add some orange zest and then lemon zest, and I'm gonna mix everything together. The flavors and the smell is already so good. We're going to cook this for a couple of minutes until you see it starts to bubble up, and just keep mixing it until it starts to cook down and reduce. Once the flavor is infused, we're going to sieve it through and put all the mixture into a cup. We don't want to have any bits of that in our marmalade. And just gently press down so you get all the juice as much as you can. Next, take your pan and add all your lemon and orange juice. Then I'm going to add some gelatin. And you need quite a lot of gelatin for this recipe, and just mix everything together until it melts and you don't have any lumps. Just keep mixing it together and cook it on a medium heat. You don't want to burn this as well, and make sure there are no lumps of gelatin anywhere. Just mix it through so it becomes kind of nice and even mixture, just like this. So when it's done, you're going to add some sugar, and it's a lot of sugar. So just add all your sugar inside, and then we're going to add the rest of our lime juice and the rest of our orange juice inside. And then just mix everything together. So the mixture will start to come and even out. And we want to make sure that all the sugar melts together. But the flavor of this is so delicious and fresh and citrusy. We're going to cook this for a couple of minutes until it's all melted and you can see bubbles on the sides. Just keep stirring it occasionally. Then we're going to Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. To prep our mold, you can use any molds that you wish. I'm just using a baking tin with some parchment paper, and I have sprayed it with some cooking oil. Then I'm gonna add my lemon and orange marmalade inside, and I'm gonna place this into the fridge so it gets nice and set. This will take a couple of hours or so. After that, I take it out of the fridge and I'm gonna add some more sugar on top to make sure it doesn't stick to my hands. And you want to move your hands around and rub the sugar in, just like that. And then we're going to flip this around and onto the other side and add more sugar on top. And just repeat the process by rubbing the sugar inside our marmalade. And then you want to take a really sharp knife and then slice your marmalade inside, and it will stick to your knife as well because the sides are not covered in sugar. But don't worry, it's a patient process. Just keep slicing that up, and then finally you will start to see these little shapes, and then cut them into triangles or whatever way you like to serve it. Traditionally we have them in triangles, and you can cover the bits in sugar as well so they don't stick to your hands or to your knife. And there you go, look at this. It's so pretty, so delicious, really soft in the middle, tastes so amazing, so much better than the shop bought one. A lot of flavor, a lot of citrusy flavor, and I absolutely love the homemade version. I really hope you try these, guys. They're little pockets of sweets. This is what I used to have as a child, and they're very stringy, and I love that. Look at this. Check out all the other videos I have, and make sure to like and comment on this video. Thank you.